All right, let's dive into one of Brazil's most iconic dishes, feijoada. This hearty black bean stew is packed with rich flavors and has a fascinating history. By the end, you'll be able to make it yourself, step by step, no fuss. 2 cups dried black beans, about a pound pork shoulder or beef chuck, a couple sausages, chorizo or smoked sausage, bacon, 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, a bay leaf, a splash of orange juice, salt, pepper, olive oil. Rinse and soak the beans overnight or at least 6 hours. Grab a big pot, dice the bacon, chop the pork or beef into bite-sized pieces. Slice the sausages, finely chop onion and garlic. Heat olive oil in the pot over medium. Toss in the bacon. Let it crisp and render fat for a couple of minutes. Add the chopped pork or beef. Brown it on all sides. This builds the flavor, so take your time. Don't rush it. Add the sliced sausages. Stir and let them get a little color too. Once the meat's browned, add your onion and garlic. Sauté until soft and fragrant. Don't forget a big pinch of salt and some black pepper. Drain your soaked black beans and add them to the pot. Pour in enough water to cover everything by about an inch. Drop in your bay leaf. Bring it all to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer gently. About 1.5 to 2 hours. Stir occasionally. About halfway through, splash in some orange juice. That's a little secret that brightens the whole dish. Once the beans are tender and the stew is thick, taste and adjust seasoning. Pull out the bay leaf. It's ready to serve. Serve with rice. Serve with orange slices. Serve with sautéed greens. Invite some friends. This is comfort food made for sharing. If you enjoyed this step-by-step feijoada recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious inspiration. See you in the next one.